Hello everyone, welcome back to the Tech Think Tank. In today's video, we will be discussing one of the most important and transformative technologies of our time, cloud computing. As more and more businesses and individuals are adopting cloud computing solutions, it has become critical to understand the basics of this technology and its benefits. So, whether you are a student, a business owner, or just someone who is curious about the future of computing, this video is for you.
Cloud computing is an innovative technology that has changed the way we store, manage, and access data. It is a model for delivering computing services including servers, storage, databases, software, analytics, and more over the Internet. Cloud computing provides users with the ability to access data and software from any device with an Internet connection, without the need for on-premise infrastructure. Cloud computing has become increasingly popular due to its many benefits, including cost savings, scalability, flexibility, and improved security. In this article, we will explore the different types of cloud computing, the benefits and challenges of cloud computing, as well as the future of cloud computing. Let's now discuss the types of cloud computing.
There are three primary types of cloud computing. 1. Infrastructure as a Service, IaaS. 2. Platform as a Service, PaaS, and 3. Software as a Service, SaaS.
Let's discuss each of these in details now.
IaaS is a cloud computing model that provides users with virtualized computing resources such as servers, storage, and networks over the Internet. Users can rent these resources from cloud providers and use them to run their own applications and software. IaaS is ideal for companies that need flexible, scalable infrastructure that can be quickly adjusted to meet changing business needs. Examples of IaaS providers include Amazon Web Services, AWS, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud Platform. AWS is the largest IaaS provider and offers a wide range of services, including Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud, EC2, Amazon Simple Storage Service, S3, and Amazon Elastic Block Store, EBS.
PaaS is a cloud computing model that provides users with a platform for developing, running, and managing their own applications without the need for underlying infrastructure. This allows users to focus on application development and deployment without worrying about hardware or software maintenance. PaaS is ideal for companies that need to develop and deploy applications quickly and efficiently. Examples of PaaS providers include Google App Engine, Heroku, and Red Hat OpenShift. Google App Engine is a popular PaaS provider that allows developers to build and deploy web applications in multiple programming languages.
SaaS is a cloud computing model that provides users with access to software applications over the Internet without the need to install or maintain any software locally. SaaS providers host and manage the software, and users access it through a web browser or a mobile app. SaaS is ideal for companies that need to access software applications from multiple devices and locations. Examples of SaaS providers include Salesforce, Dropbox, and Google Workspace. Salesforce is a popular SaaS provider that offers customer relationship management (CRM) software, while Dropbox is a cloud storage provider.
Now let us have a look into the benefits and challenges of cloud computing. I'll point out the benefits on the left of the screen and the challenges on the right. 1. Cost savings. One of the primary benefits of cloud computing is cost savings. Cloud computing eliminates the need for companies to invest in on-premise hardware and software, reducing the cost of IT infrastructure. Cloud providers offer pricing models that allow companies to pay only for the resources they use, providing greater flexibility and cost savings. 2. Scalability. Another benefit of cloud computing is scalability. Cloud computing allows companies to quickly and easily adjust their computing resources based on their needs. This allows companies to scale up or down as needed, without the need for on-premise infrastructure. 3. Flexibility. Cloud computing provides greater flexibility than on-premise infrastructure. Cloud providers offer a wide range of services, allowing companies to choose the services that best fit their needs. This allows companies to focus on their core business without worrying about hardware or software maintenance. 4. Improved security. Cloud computing provides improved security over on-premise infrastructure. Cloud providers have dedicated security teams and use advanced security measures to protect data and applications. This provides greater security than on-premise infrastructure, which is often vulnerable to cyber attacks and data breaches. Cloud computing has revolutionized the way organizations use and manage their IT resources. However, it also presents a number of challenges that organizations must address in order to fully realize its benefits. Some of the key challenges of cloud computing are: 1. Security. Cloud computing involves storing and accessing data and applications over the internet, which raises concerns about the security of sensitive information. Organizations must ensure that their data is protected from unauthorized access, theft, and data breaches. 2. Compliance. Many industries and jurisdictions have strict regulations governing the handling of data, such as the General Data Protection Regulation, GDPR, in the European Union. Organizations must ensure that their cloud service provider complies with these regulations. 3. Cost management. While cloud computing can offer significant cost savings compared to traditional IT infrastructure, it can also result in unexpected expenses, such as data transfer costs, which can quickly add up. 4. Vendor lock-in. Once an organization has migrated to a cloud platform, it can be difficult to switch to another provider. This can limit flexibility and increase dependency on a single vendor. 5. Performance. Cloud computing relies on internet connectivity, which can be subject to latency and other performance issues. This can impact the speed and reliability of accessing cloud-based applications and services. 6. Integration. Integrating cloud-based applications with on-premise applications can be challenging, particularly if the cloud provider uses proprietary APIs and protocols. 7. Data portability. Organizations must ensure that they can easily move their data from one cloud provider to another without vendor lock-in or data loss. 8. Disaster recovery. Organizations must ensure that their cloud provider has adequate disaster recovery capabilities in place in case of a service disruption or outage.
Cloud computing deployment models refer to the different ways cloud services can be deployed and accessed. There are three main deployment models. Let us dive into the details of them. Public cloud is a model where cloud services are offered over the internet by third-party providers. The infrastructure is shared among multiple users, and the provider is responsible for managing and maintaining it. Public cloud services can be accessed by anyone with an internet connection, and users pay for the services they use on a subscription or pay-per-use basis. Examples of public cloud providers include Amazon Web Services, AWS, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud Platform, GCP.
A private cloud is a model where cloud services are provided over a private network, either on-premise or hosted by a third-party provider. A private cloud is typically used by organizations that have sensitive data or regulatory compliance requirements. Private cloud services are accessed by authorized users within the organization, and the infrastructure is dedicated to that organization.
A private cloud can be more expensive than a public cloud, but it offers greater control, customization, and security.
A hybrid cloud is a model that combines public and private cloud services. This model allows organizations to leverage the scalability and cost-effectiveness of public cloud services while keeping sensitive data and critical applications in a private cloud environment. A hybrid cloud requires integration between the public and private clouds, and it can be complex to manage. However, it offers greater flexibility and agility than using just one type of cloud.
Now let's see some of the advantages and disadvantages of each cloud deployment model. Let us start with the advantages of public cloud. High scalability and flexibility to easily accommodate changes in resource requirements. Cost-effective because users only pay for the services they use. High level of automation and self-service capabilities. The provider handles the maintenance and security of the infrastructure. Now the disadvantages. Security and compliance concerns because the infrastructure is shared among multiple users. Limited customization options due to the standardized nature of public cloud services. Dependence on the provider for the performance and availability of the infrastructure. Limited control over the underlying hardware and software.
Let's discuss the pros and cons of the private cloud now. Greater control and customization over the infrastructure. Enhanced security and compliance capabilities because the infrastructure is dedicated to the organization. Ability to leverage existing on-premise infrastructure investments. Greater performance and reliability due to the dedicated nature of the infrastructure. The disadvantages now. Higher costs due to the need to invest in dedicated infrastructure and maintenance. Limited scalability compared to the public cloud. Limited access to cutting-edge technologies and services. Requires specialized knowledge and expertise to manage.
Hybrid cloud is the last item on the list. Let's take a look at its advantages and disadvantages. Greater flexibility and agility to balance performance, cost, and security requirements. Greater control over sensitive data and applications. Ability to leverage the benefits of both public and private clouds, such as using the public cloud for burst workloads and the private cloud for mission-critical applications.
And the disadvantages are complex integration and management requirements. Increased security and compliance risks due to data transfer between public and private clouds. Higher costs due to the need to maintain both public and private cloud infrastructures. Potential performance issues due to the complexity of the architecture.
Cloud deployment models provide a flexible and cost-effective way to deploy and manage software applications and infrastructure. The different deployment models, public, private, hybrid, and multi-cloud, offer varying levels of control, customization, and security depending on the specific needs and requirements of an organization. Overall, the choice of cloud deployment model depends on an organization's specific requirements, budget, and resources. It is important to carefully evaluate the benefits and drawbacks of each model before making a decision.
That's it for today's video on cloud computing. We hope you found it informative and engaging. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, The Tech Think Tank, for more videos on the latest technology trends, reviews, and insights. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you at the next one.